Printed wiring and full-color installation manual. Every wire is printed with the circuit identification and uses GM color codes for easy installation. Paired with the highly detailed full-color installation manual, Painless makes a tedious task simple. Fit type, universal fit. Upgraded auto-bladed fuses. Leave antiquated glass fuses in the past where they belong and update to modern bladed fuses. Machine crimped fuse block. Painless uses OE-style machine crimping and pre-terminates the fuse block, leaving the installer with only one end to terminate. American-made, American-proud since 1990. Every Painless harness is proudly produced in Fort Worth, Texas, where we also staff our unmatched technical support department. Need help during install? Simply give us a call. This Painless Performance 21-circuit chassis harness is our most widely used customizable automotive wiring harness. This universal kit is great for hot rod or street rod builds, but you'll find that it's easily adaptable to almost any vehicle and has enough length to handle full-size and muscle cars. This harness comes with open-ended ignition switch wires that can easily be adapted to any ignition switch out there. For those using a GM keyed column, Painless part number 10101 comes with a pre-terminated GM ignition switch connector. Included with this harness are the following parts: GM engineered fuse block Painless mounting bracket, GM turn signal connectors, pre-wired plugs for the headlight's dimmer switch. Each wire is printed with the circuit identification as well as using GM color codes for easy installation. Wire your classic car once and wire it right with a Painless customizable wiring harness. Top reviews from the United States. As easy as it gets. This is the second Painless wire harness I've installed, and they were both as easy as it gets. With the wires all marked on the entire length and bundled together in sections, throw the tail section to the rear and then just grab a wire and read what it's for and connect it. Instrument panels and engine compartments can be tricky, but not with this harness. Just hook up the wires as labeled. Done. The instructions for each harness are great. Even the universal fit has several options for different alternators, key switches, and signal switches. The only reason I took on rewiring from to rear on my 1973 CJ5 was I knew it would be easy with a Painless harness.